In Uganda, musician and politician Bobby Wine announces he will run for president in the 2021 election. In Britain, Boris Johnson formally accepts Queen Elizabeth II's invitation to form a government before arriving at 10 Downing Street as the country's new prime minister. Europeans are finding ways to keep cool as parts of Europe face extreme heat warnings. And in Washington, D.C., former special counsel Robert Mueller testifies in Congress about his 2-year investigation. He says that Russia's efforts to interfere in the 2016 U.S. presidential election remain a serious threat.